Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the second lecture. In first lecture, we have already discussed some concepts of national income. Here are some other concepts which we will discuss. The fourth concept is personal income. Here are the definition of personal income, which is defined as personal income is the total money income received by individual and household of a country from all possible sources before direct taxes. Personal income is that part of individual income which is distributed among the people of a country as reward in the form of rent, interest, wages, and profit. People actually receive them in their hands. This means that the whole of national income is not distributed among the people. A part of it which is not given to the people is subtracted from national income for the calculation of personal income. Following are subtracted from NI as they are not received by the people. PI is equal to NI minus corporate income taxes minus undistributed corporate profit minus social security contribution plus transfer payment. The another concept is disposable income. Here are the definition of disposable income. The income left after the payment of direct taxes from personal income is called disposable income. Disposable income means actual income which can be spent on consumption by individuals and families. It is that part of personal income which is at the disposal of people to spend it the way they like. To calculate disposable personal income, personal or direct taxes, for example, income tax, property tax, etc., are subtracted from personal income. People always spend their disposable personal income of consumers and capital goods. Therefore, it is also equal to personal consumption expenditures plus saving or investment. The last concept is per capita income. Per capita income of a country is derived by dividing the national income of the country by the total population of a country. Here are the formula to find per capita income. Per capita income is equal to total national income divided by total nation population. In other words, the per capita income is the average income which get when we divide total national income with national population, we get average income. Thank you, students.